Behold, brethren, do we pretend to teach the perfectly sagacious God whom to love and whom to hate, whom to receive and whom to refuse, whom to accept and whom to reject? Do we have the endowment, the endorsement, the discernment, and the power of judgment to declare and proclaim somebody's repentance as fake, false, and fraudulent? Hey, puny man, you dare not usurp the powers of the Most High by judging your fellow partner in crime. Behold, for all have sinned and have come short of the glory of God. Or do you still intend to resign God of infinite wisdom and power from his post and replace him in his throne of judgment? Hey, flesh and blood, shun this better than thou tendency, a Lucifer rebellious philosophy. It is an affront to Jah's irresistible sovereignty, and this attracts an unpardonable and unbearable penalty in eternity. That notwithstanding, hear and heed, brethren, do not be deceived. God is not mocked. If we think to put a cheat upon God and man by a counterfeit repentance, a fake, false, and fraudulent surrender of ourselves to the almighty omniscient Jah, we shall regret in the end to have put a fatal cheat upon our own miserable souls. Jah bless. Jah bless.